What's up guys, this is Mr. Erdogan, you're watching Music with Mr. Erdogan, and today we're going to be learning how to play Old MacDonald on the recorder. Alright guys, that was the entire version of Old MacDonald. So before we begin, we need to look at this piece of music and see what we're working with here. So let's start by looking at the types of notes that we have to play. So we've got quarter notes, and quarter notes are 1 beat long. We've also got eighth notes, and eighth notes are half a beat each. And then we have a few half notes, and half notes are 2 beats long. Next, let's look at the pitches that we'll be playing in this song. So we have G's, D's, E's, B's, and A's. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple song overall. Now let's quickly review how we play those notes. So let's look at our G. To play our G on the recorder, we only need our left hand, and it's thumb, and then first, second, and third finger. Our next note is our D, and then to play our D, we're using both our left and right hands. So remember, left hand on top, thumb, 1, 2, 3 with your left hand, and then 1, 2, 3 with your right hand on bottom. Then the next note is E, and then E is played with left hand, thumb, 1, 2, 3 on top, and then right hand on bottom with first and second finger. And then playing our B, which is our first note that we learned, and that's the easiest note, and that's our thumb on our left hand and first finger on our left hand. Then we have our A, which is our second note that we learned, and that's also pretty easy. That's our left hand, thumb, first finger, and second finger. And that's it. And those are the only notes we need to know how to play for this song. Now let's start trying to play it slowly. Now one thing you might find difficult in this song is figuring out the best time to breathe. Now you may notice that there are some rests throughout the song. Now those are usually the best times to breathe, as well as between phrases in the song and when it feels natural. Now let's try playing it again, and this time a little bit faster. And you're going to feel like it'll be easier for you to manage your breath while we're playing it more quickly, simply because you're just not holding the notes for as long. So now that we're playing it a little bit faster, now you have to really start thinking about your tonguing, because as we're starting to play it faster, those eighth notes become a little bit more difficult. So if you're not tonguing those notes, you won't really be able to play it as efficiently. Now, if you don't know what I mean when I say tonguing, I did an entire video on tonguing your notes while playing the recorder. Now, I'll link that up in the top right corner of the screen, so you can click on that and watch that video to help you understand how to tongue your notes. Then you can come back to this video and continue from where you left off. And we can start learning how to play this song faster, because if you're not tonguing, you won't be able to play this song very fast. And it just won't sound that great. Okay, let's try it again, and let's play it even faster. But this time, I'm going to take away the recorder on the right and take away the arrows under each note, and I want you to see if you could follow along with the music without them. Alright guys, that's it for today. Now if you're still having difficulty learning how to play Old MacDonald, please just rewind this video, watch it as many times as you need until you can get it. And if you like this video, please hit that like button below. It helps me out a lot. It's just down there. Just, drag your mouse, move it over there, click away. And also if you'd like to subscribe for future updates, you can do that as well. And you can get notifications of when I'm sending you guys new videos. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button below, and make sure both those buttons are around there. Just go ahead and, click away. And also please subscribe to my channel, and you'll get notifications of when I'm sending you guys new videos.